Click on the link below to get price. The 3500 square FT dehumidifier is an impressive solution for tackling excess moisture in larger spaces, such as homes and basements. Designed to effectively remove humidity, this unit is ideal for environments prone to dampness, ensuring a more comfortable and healthier living atmosphere. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its capacity to cover up to 3,500 square feet, making it robust enough for open areas and large rooms. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for households that prefer minimal noise disruption. It boasts an auto shut-off function that activates when the water tank reaches its capacity, preventing overflow and ensuring peace of mind while it runs unattended. Setting up the dehumidifier is straightforward. The user-friendly control panel features an intuitive interface that allows for easy adjustments of humidity levels. You can set your desired humidity percentage, and the device will work diligently to maintain that level. Additionally, the continuous dehumidification mode is a lifesaver, particularly in particularly humid seasons. By connecting a hose for continuous drainage, users can enjoy hassle-free operation without needing to frequently empty the water tank. In terms of efficiency, this dehumidifier performs admirably. It quickly reduces humidity levels, and many users report significant improvements in air quality within days. This not only contributes to a more comfortable environment but also helps to mitigate problems associated with mold, mildew, and allergens that thrive in damp conditions. The design of the unit is sleek and modern, allowing it to blend seamlessly into various home aesthetics. While some may find it a bit bulky, the benefits it offers far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the 3,500 square FT dehumidifier is a reliable investment for anyone looking to improve their home's air quality, particularly in areas susceptible to moisture. With its combination of performance, ease of use, and efficiency, it stands out as a top choice for combating humidity issues effectively.